Hi all, welcome to the Urbi Academy. Today we are going to see Java Production Support MCQ Set 01 question and answers. And let us start the first question. To set the Java path, which following environment variable is used? And there are the various options has been given here: Java path, Java home, and Maven path. And especially we are going to use the Java home. And if it is the you are going to set the environment variable in the Windows system, and you need to follow the setup commands, and you need to set the Java path. And in case of the Linux, there is a procedure to do that. You can go by that. Especially, we are going to use the environment variable as a Java path here. Okay. And the second question is which one is the extension of the Java code file? Okay, obviously I have written the Java code here. This is the one Java code I have written. The public class Java hello world, and then main method. Then I have given the print method, and just I have uh, saved that file as the .java extension. The what are the options they have given is .js, .java, .class, .txt, and which option is the correct option is Java option. Okay, and you can see here also .java option, .java also. Okay, and what is the next question is which of the following is compile the Java class extension? Once we'll compile the Java, and what is the Java class extension is, and is there a .js, .class, .txt, or .java? Let us see practical way. Okay, and let us go ahead and compile that. As you can see here, .hello.java is there. The compiled file is not there. Let us compile. To compile it, Java C, then hello Java. Okay, there is a no error. Okay, and it has been compiled. You can see which file extension it came, the hello world dot class. Okay, which option we need to choose? The class. Okay, the real time you need to, the questions will come, and we need to choose this kind of things. Okay, and which of the following is not used for the variable name in the Java? Variable name, you already know that, right? Identifier and keyword and identifier, none of the above. Which one? We are going to choose the keywords. Okay, Java keywords we can't use for the variable purpose. As you can see it here. Okay, and int I can say like the any keyword you can take. Java keywords are like the mm, mm, for loaf. That is the Java keyword, right? So it will not accept it, right? Syntax error, invalid variable declaration. Like this, it will give. Okay, that is the reason. Which of the following is not used for variable names in the keywords are not used. Okay, which one is not the Java OOPS concept? Inheritance as the OOPS concept. Encapsulation is the Java OOPS concept. Polymorphism is the OOPS concept. And compilation is not the OOPS concept. You can see it here. I am going to show you it here. You can see it here. Encapsulation, abstraction, polymorphism, inheritance. These are the OOPS concept. Okay. And other option is it is not the OOPS concept. Okay. Learn practical way, guys. Okay, when the Java run out of the memory, which exception is thrown? Which exception is thrown here? Memory error, memory pull extension, out of memory, memory out of bound extension. We can see the out of memory exception. Okay, you can check it in the online or wherever you can create the scenarios. You can try it out, but option is out of memory error. Okay, and how many types of the primitive data in the Java are present? 6, 8, 7, or 9? It is 8. Okay, I am going to show you whether it is correct or not. You can see here. How many types of the primitive are Java present? 8 primitive data types are there. What are the primitive? You can see here boolean, char, byte, int, and short and long and float and double. These are the primitive data types. Okay, let us move on to the next question. And which when does object creation take place? With a new keyword. At runtime, at compile time, depend on the code, none. So usually at the compile time, the new object is not going to create. During the runtime only, it is going to create the new object. You can try it in your system. Okay. And what is the return type of the method that does not return the any value? If it is not returning the any value, what is the return type? Is it a double? Is it a int? It is a void or none of the above? Obviously, it should be the void. If it is not returning anything, it is a void. If it is returning the int data type, means int value. If it is returning the any digits, something like this, it will be the double. In this case, void. I will show you here. Okay, Eclipse I have opened. See at the here I am not returning anything. This is the one increment method. I am not returning anything. Okay, here here I am just displaying it here. Here you can also check here. Here also not doing anything. Just in the first method I am incrementing. The second method just I am printing the what is the count incremented happen. The display count, you can see the void, it is not the int because there is a no return type, right? So let me execute this. The count one at s came, right? So it is coming from here only. That is the reason we don't have the any return type. Okay, let us move on to the next question. Last question. In this execution of the divide by zero statement, which of the following exception is thrown? If you have the number, okay, for example, 10 by 0 is there, think that variable a is there. Okay, you can say double. Okay, double is the data type and declaration, and this one it is there. And during this time, which type of the exception is thrown in the real time? Okay, so which type of the real number format exception, null pointer exception, arithmetical exception? We are going to get arithmetical exception, guys. Okay, I am going to show you that. Practically, I am going to show you that. Okay, go here. Arithmetical exception. What I have done? I have taken the okay int result a by b. I'm taken the one method and I have passed the two parameters, and then process has been successfully, result came after the division. And here the main method, I am creating the object here, new object. During the runtime I am calling that method divide 0, and 1 and 0 I am passing. Okay, that is the reason. What will happen? What is the exception? The arithmetical exception, I'll be getting divided by 0. He in this case, he'll be getting. I have solved all the problem. Once you solve this, put your email ID, then submit it. Okay. And submit it, you'll getting the result. And select all the square with the motorcycle. Okay. So all the motorcycle. This is the motorcycle, right? You can do this. Verify. It has been verified. You can check your score, guys. Okay, so I have scored 10 out of 10. You can see the whether the correct means it is going to show like this. Okay, and you guys can try it out so that you can increase your knowledge in the Java production support. Thanks for watching this video, guys. And if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends so that it is going to help them also. Thank you very much.